All right. Let's see if that worked. Can y'all hear me now? Hello, 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 hello. All right, cool. Sorry about that, guys. Guys on Twitch, okay? I got a new computer, so I'm not sure what happened. But the sound, I guess, was off. Thanks for letting me know, guys on Twitch. Jamie, Robert, thanks for letting me know on Facebook. All right, so we just opened one pack there. Our one pack, we had the Nate Stanley Emerald 2 of 5. That was to the Vikings. We had the Tyson Hill to 49 autograph. And then we had a nice Chase Young patch 12 of 15 to the Redskins. Yeah, like I said, I got a new computer yesterday just to try to do some new things with it. And I guess something got wrong with the microphone from the first break to the second, but glad we are good now. Apologies on that. All right, pack number 2. Let's get it going. Josh Allen, Bills. Juju Schuster. Mr. Juju on the beat. Silver to the Seahawks, Jordan Brooks. That's to 75. Mari Cooper, silver. We're going to get another redemption. See if we can do the redemption cycle and hit a Jefferson here. Brett Favre to 49. 7 of 49 on the Favre. And our redemption is Tyler Johnson. I completely forgot about him. Rookie swatch autographs, Tyler Johnson. That's to the Buccaneers. NFC South, Josh. With a Tyler Johnson redemption. And Raymond Callis. We hit his autograph in the first part. That's to the Buccaneers. All right, box number 2. Grab some new sleeves. Box number 2. Hopefully no more redemptions. That's 3 so far. Russell Wilson, base. Nick Bosa, 49ers. There's Keyshawn Vaughn, blue. That's to 199. This is Carson Wentz, 249, Eagles. Another gold. I believe this is our 3rd gold so far. Jerry Rice gold, 9 of 10. That's to the 49ers. NFC West, Jamie. Nice hit there with the veteran gold. 9 of 10, Jerry Rice. That's a cool card. 3 gold so far this case. Next up is Cole Kmet. That's to 199, Bears. I don't know if he's going to get much playing time with how well Jimmy Graham's playing for the Bears right now. Jimmy Graham's playing like he was when he was with the Saints. Just playing really good football. And there's a Chase Young. We've hit a ton of Chase Youngs this case, too. Hit the Chase Young auto and then the Chase Young patch so far. This is a fatty right here. Boy, what an awful night Cam Newton had last night. I think his career is definitely trending downward. Phillip Rivers, Colts. LaMichael Perrine. We have not hit a jet this case, which is a rarity. That's to 249 on the Perrine. And a Cam Akers silver. That's to 75. Got some veteran jersey. That's 45 of 49. Steve Young. It's the 49ers pack. And Rams going to hit here with a Van Jefferson acetate. That is 66 of 99 with the Florida Rams background. These are probably my favorite cards in this set. I like them a lot with the college and then the pro. 66 of 99 on that one. That's to the Rams. And then we got a Noah Igboduchi. I probably have never said his name right, but I'll keep trying. Box number 3. I guess all the 101s are on the left or the right side of the cases. Like I said, this is the middle 5. The right 5 will be the last break that we do. Joshua Kelly. We hit 1,000 cards of Joshua Kelly, it feels like. I mean, if we had as many Herberts as Joshua Kellys that we've hit out of this XR, we'd be rich. Robert Woods. 49ers base. To 199, he's playing good football, but he's on the COVID list, or was this week. Donovan Peoples-Jones. And we got a Kenneth Murray to 99. We hit this kid last break. Evan Ingram, that's 12 of 25 to the Giants. Jumbo jersey. And for the Colts, this is a nice card. Michael Pittman Jr. gold, 2 of 10. That's a nice hit there for the Colts, AFC South. Jim. 2 of 10, Michael Pittman Jr. gold auto. That's a nice card. Colts should make the playoffs. I think they have to win this weekend. But a nice gold Michael Pittman Jr. there. Nice hit there, Jim. 2 of 10, Michael Pittman Jr. gold autograph. That's 4 golds so far this case. I can tell you what, you're not going to hit 4 golds open in a case of Prism. Jared Pigney, Falcons. David Montgomery, Bears. Tom Brady. Base for the Buccaneers. Brown's going to hit here with a Grand Del Pitt. That's to 249. Chris Godwin Jr. That's to 249. Buccaneers. Swift to the Lions. And the Raiders going to hit here with a Brian Edwards. We hit a ton of him too. That's to 75. Red Brian Edwards jersey autograph to 75. Just making sure that was a jersey. Jamie, I don't know if you've picked up your cards yet, but you have a Titans card. I think it's Darrington Evans. But it's a jersey, but there's no jersey there. It's just plastic. But when you pick up your cards, you'll see what I'm talking about. Box number 4. Still no Herbert, no Tua or Burrow auto. We hit a nice Burrow patch in box number 1, but no auto of the big 3 yet. We hit 2 Tua's last case. Hit a CD Lamb 1 of 1. So hopefully we get a monster in here somewhere. This is Christian Fulton, Titans. AJ Green, Bengals. Broncos with a Melvin Gordon Jr. Or Melvin Gordon the third, excuse me. Melvin Gordon first and second. Devin Asiasi, who looked absolutely awful blocking last night for the Patriots. He got murdered a couple times. To 99, LaMichael Perrine. This should be another cool veteran card. Check out that patch. 3 of 15, Terry Bradshaw patch. That's to the Steelers. That's a cool card. 3 of 15. Some nice patches in here. Some low-numbered patches. That's to the Steelers. 3 of 15 on the Terry. AFC North. Robert, that's a nice card. And we got a C.J. Henderson to 49 auto. That's to the Jaguars. Bradley Anae. Yeah, I don't know, Jamie. When you get that card, look at it. Did I get the wrong size sleeve? When you get that card, look at it. It's literally just, it's got the back of the plastic on it. So I don't know what happened with that. Somebody wasn't doing their job at Panini. Maybe they ran out of jersey and were like, hey, maybe they won't notice. Teddy Bridgewater. Oh, here's our favorite player, Ben DiNucci. That's to 199. Cowboys. Julio Jones for the Falcons. That's to 199. I was hoping the Falcons would trade Julio. That didn't happen. So we'll have to live with him. That's to 99. Brandon Ayuk for the 49ers. Next hit. Going to be Duvernay. Check out that patch. 52 of 75. Patch, jersey, autograph, Devin Duvernay. That's to the Ravens. Some really nice patch cards in these cases. But we just got to hit the big guys. We got to hit the big guns of the nice patches. Case number 1, we had a nice Joe Burrow patch. This is a Duvernay triple relic autograph to 75. Last box of break number 2. Come on, baby. Give us a monster. We have not hit a 101 yet. I haven't seen an XR case without a 101. This is Derek Brown, just a large human being. That's for the Panthers. Defensive tackle out of the University of Auburn. Aaron Rodgers, who I feel like plays better every single game. Followed by Zach Ertz. Whenever you get an Aaron Rodgers card in here, you're going to get a Zach Ertz next. Up next is Drew Lock. That's to 199 Broncos. DeMarcus Lawrence. That's to 149 Cowgirls. Ravens do have sweet patches. You're right, Jamie. 149. And we have our first monster coming up, boys. 149. That's to the Steelers. AFC West, Josh, you're going to stay hot here. Check out this card. Jersey number 10 of 10, Justin Herbert, 4-color patch, baby. Let's go. Nice card there, Josh. 10 of 10, jersey number, Justin Herbert. That's a huge card. That is what we've been waiting for, boys. XR Football always delivers. What a beautiful looking card. 10 of 10, Justin Herbert, 4-color patch, jersey number, baby. Check out that beauty right there, boys. Hell yes. Nice hit, Josh. I feel like Josh has been staying hot with this XR Football. Second to last pack. We still have our 101 in here somewhere. That's a sick card, man. Congrats. We're going to get our first Tua base. Tua base on the back. Tua Tagovailoa base. That's to the AFC East. McCaffrey. McCaffrey's always followed by Josh Allen. And Tyreek Hill, one of the fastest wide receivers in football. This is Callis again. Callis is all over this break. And we got our boy Cole Kmet. It's the Cole Kmet break. That's 17 of 25 X-ray jersey, Cole Kmet. And last hit is going to be a Keyshawn Vaughn to 75 Yuccaneers. NFC South. Josh, killing it. Oh, nice. JJ hit one of these. Jamie? That's a nice Christmas morning. All right, so that was the middle 5 boxes. Middle 5 boxes. Let's review. Keyshawn Vaughn to 75. Duvernay triple patch relic. That's to 75. CJ Henderson rookie auto to 49. Terry Bradshaw, 3 of 15, 2-color patch. Bryan Edwards, red, that's to 75, jersey auto. Evan Ingram, jumbo, 12 of 25. Van Jefferson, acetate, 66 of 99. Cole Kmet, jersey autograph to 299. Tyler Johnson, rookie swatch autographs. That's to the Buccaneers. Chase Young, 3-color patch to 15. Redskin. Oh, Casey hit it. Casey. Tyson Hill, that's to 49. Saints. Man, Jamie, you give all the luck to your sons. And 2 of 5, Nate Staley, that's to the Vikings. We hit 2 very nice cards. Actually, one awesome card and another great card. This is 2 of 10, Michael Pittman Jr. gold autograph. That went to the AFC South. And then an absolute monster to the AFC West. Check out that card. 10 of 10, jersey number, Justin Herbert, 4-color patch. An absolute monster there by Josh. I think we should still have it a 1 of 1 left in the last 5. But that's an absolute beauty of a card right there, man. Congrats on that one, Josh. Like I said, I'm holding the rest of the night, so if that other break fills, we can break it. If not, we can break it tomorrow. But I appreciate it as always, guys. And we'll be back later. See y'all later.